Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your iPhone can scan. Open settings to confirm camera has access and that iOS is iOS 11 or newer. Next, gather the network SSID and password or open the QR image you generated elsewhere. You need that QR visible. Position the QR code on a steady surface or display it on another phone or screen with good lighting so the camera can read it. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and ready to scan. Scanning starts immediately in the camera app. You now use the camera app. Point it at the QR code, framing the code in the center of the viewfinder. iPhone recognizes Wi-Fi QR codes automatically and displays a notification banner. When the banner appears, tap it to reveal the join prompt showing the network name. This confirms the SSID parsed correctly. Make sure the password field looks filled or the prompt just says join, then tap join. The system securely applies the credentials, so you don't type anything manually. You finish by checking settings. Wi-Fi to confirm the iPhone shows the network and a strong signal. If it joined, you're done. If the QR didn't scan, make sure the code has good contrast, the lens is clean, and the code isn't warped or reflected. Reposition or increase brightness and try again. If it still fails, regenerate the QR with exact SSID/password or manually enter credentials as a fallback. Remember, air-gapped networks or enterprise WPA2 enterprise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.